Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have a very beautiful suggestion from YouTube today. I saw a new video from MIRAVI's YouTube channel and they are gonna sing together with Polina Gagarina. MIRAVI and Polina Gagarina. This is gonna be a legendary duet, I'm sure. I didn't know that they sang before and I'm so excited when I saw the video. Today we are gonna watch it together with you. They're gonna sing a song named Another Snowstorm. This is gonna be a live performance. I'm so curious about it and let's start. MIRAVI and Polina Gagarina.
За тобой не закрывая дверь.
She's so beautiful.
Я живу уже который год, и с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановлены, кого-то ждет.
Amazing. She's looking like a fairy, right? She is very beautiful. She is very talented. I can't believe how she can be that perfect. In every aspect, in every area, she is just a perfect woman. In every area, she is very talented with singing. I'm sure. I remember that she has another talent also, maybe acting, and she's perfectly beautiful. She's an amazing lady. Okay, let's continue.
Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Короткий день.
Wow. Oh,
Ты
okay.
меня не ведая, прости.
This music is sounding so beautiful also. This is really very beautiful, very quality music. And we have another very beautiful lady, MIRAVI, MIRAVI, right? I remember that I reacted to her performance once before, and she is very talented also. And I'm gonna listen her again together with Paulina. This is an amazing duet. This is gonna be an amazing duet. Okay, let's continue.
Ведая, прости.
Beautiful voice.
На пороге долго не томись, ведь теперь у нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
This is amazing. Together they are amazing. These two ladies are amazing. And I love this song. I can understand that this is a sad song, but I'm sorry, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to listen them together. These ladies are so beautiful. These ladies are so talented. And their voices, perfect. Their voices are perfect. This is so beautiful collaboration. I love it so much. Look at them. This is a beautiful trait for me. It's a beautiful way to start the day.
Короткий день. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий
They're amazing. They are so beautiful. This video is so beautiful. This performance is so beautiful. In the last part, when they were singing together, Polina Gagarina, she was using that beautiful high note, and Vilada Miravi, she was singing with her comfort area, and together they were sounding so beautiful. The name of the song was Another Snowstorm. It was a, yes, sad song, but no, this is a happy song for me. This is a happy video for me. I'm so happy to listen them together. Thank you, Vilada Miravi, for sharing this amazing duet performance. Thank you, my friends, for watching it together with me, and thank you, YouTube, for suggesting this beautiful video to me. I am happy. Have a nice day, my friends. Take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.